Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. It's been a while, life's been busy, and honestly, I've been putting this off for longer than I'd like to admit. This video was supposed to go up months ago, and now that I'm finally sitting down to do the voiceover, I'll admit it might not sync perfectly with the footage. Also, I am easing back into this whole voiceover thing after ages. Before, I used to do it for my TikToks, so if it sounds a little rusty, just bear with me, okay? So in this video, I'm gonna share. I am so not in sync with this video, but it's okay. Just a little trip to Mount Pocono, and at the end of this video, there's like a little bonus clips. A beautiful evening at Coney Island, so stay tuned. And most of the time was spent just being together, sharing meals, playing games, and catching up. And we also danced and everything. It reminded me of how important these little moments with family are. So let this video be a quick reminder to spend more time with your family. This day we are planning to go do this little hike to Bushkill Falls. By the way, I have hiked only once. It was fun. It was easy hike, and it was so calm and peaceful, and just the waterfall was so beautiful. There's just something about standing in front of something so powerful and natural. It makes you feel small, but in the best way. You know what I mean? It was a moment to pause and breathe and just take it all in. And after this hike, we stopped at this little Thai restaurant nearby. The food was incredible, guys. I don't know, the food was just hitting. By the way, it's 2:19 and I'm still doing this voiceover thing, and if I sound sleepy, I apologize for that because I'm so sleepy. But I want to finish, I want to do it today. I want to get it done. I no longer want to procrastinate, and yeah. I'm not even joking, but Kita Titico Chia is so good. I'm craving it right now. And that's that. It was a bummer that because of the rain we couldn't go to water park, so we had to cancel the plan for the water park. But it's okay, I guess. There's always another time. And yeah, now we are heading to New York. So this is the clip that I was talking about before. So in this day, we made our way to Coney Island to wrap up this summer. Coney Island has this energy. It's hard to explain, but I mean, it's chaotic but fun. Every time I go to Coney Island, it's always so alive. It's always so much fun to walk around here. There's always so much going on, and it's so fun just to observe and walk. People are dancing, or people are singing, or people are holding some big snakes. And look at these birds. Aren't they so cute? They were staring right at my soul. So cute. And of course, we couldn't miss the Wonder Wheel. It's over 100 years old and still standing tall. Come on, at first I was like, should I? It's century old. But I went for it, and guys, it was the best decision. It was an incredible experience. I was having so much fun. Oh my god, the view from there, and we got so lucky when we were at the top of the wheel. The fireworks started, and oh my god, it was the most magical thing that I've ever experienced in my life. It was so exciting. No, guys, there's something about fireworks that feels so timeless no matter how many times you've seen them. It's amazing. And there were so many people, and we were sharing this moment together. It was so magical and beautiful. But yeah, looking back at these moments, it feels like a little treasures, and I'm really grateful that I got to experience these experiences. And finally, thank you so much for spending this time with me. I know I've been a bit MIA, but being able to share these memories with you guys means so much. I hope this vlog brought a little peace or a little bit of inspiration to your day. Yeah, take care of yourself and be kind, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.